Okay, judging by the 953 miles from Guatemala to the Emerald Coast, I'm going to say that the volcano there in Guatemala has created a fault line underneath the ocean waters and has led up to the Emerald Coast, which is causing the colors in the waters to change, causing the earthquakes and various fires in Fort Walton Beach and in Destin. So you're going to rule out the top part of Yellowstone coming down. You're going to say that Emerald Coast and Guatemala is basically the double to Yellowstone. So you can figure all of that in your mind turn into lava. A molten, li- a molten liquid fire lake. Because the evidence shows it. I mean, I see what you're saying, but I just measured it. I'm at Bodacious in Pensacola. Thank you, Woody, for the donation. As a matter of fact, you can catch me around town studying the ground, burnt spots. Uh, I sent you an email. But anyway, the distance of the 953 miles is really not that far between waters. You know what I'm saying? So you take um, the fault line happening from the New Madrid fault coming from California all the way down to Florida. Well, consider it like a question in the shape of it. Consider it like this. You know what I'm saying? One volcano will attach to another volcano and create a vein, which is a fault line. If the fault line volcanic matters come across another volcanic matter that was a dormant volcano a long time ago, 9 times out of 10 it'll wake it up. Chemistry stuff will do that first. Voice by identification, photo link. Y'all go on your own thoughts. I'll go on mine.